So you're on your computer, you go to website and you click in www and your favorite website. Ever wonder how that happens or why that happens? Let's check that out. You're going to go into command prompt and you're going to type in CMD. We're going to open up a command line right now. And the command we're talking about is NSLOOKUP. It resolves DNS. It's like the phone book of the internet. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in NSLOOKUP. And my favorite website is Amazon. So I'm going to type in www.amazon.com, press enter, and this shows me all of the IP addresses that are associated with Amazon. You see a lot of IPv6 addresses here, and you also see regular IPv4. Let's do another one. I'm going to type in NSLOOKUP, just hit the up arrow here, www.youtube.com. And these are all the IPv6, IPv4 addresses available that YouTube uses. So once again, this is NSLOOKUP command for command prompt. I usually like to call this the phone book of the internet. See you on the next video.